रिक्शा और टैक्सी ड्राइवरों के लिए मराठी भाषा को अनिवार्य किए जाने के मुद्दे पर एमएनएस नेता संदीप देशपांडे कहते हैं, अगर आप महाराष्ट्र में रह रहे हैं, अगर आप कर्नाटक में रह रहे हैं, अगर आप तमिलनाडु में रह रहे हैं, अगर आप गुजरात में रह रहे हैं, तो आपको वहां का स्थानीय भाषा का सम्मान करना होगा।
I think the people like Sanjay Nirupam, the time has come to teach them a lesson. They cannot hold Mumbai at ransom by making some strikes that if we don't drive the rickshaws, all Mumbai will come to halt. We'll teach them a lesson in coming days and they will see it.
What type of lesson? So can you explain in the Manse itself?
Lesson will be in Marathi
Okay.
and he will understand it.
Do you think the way the protest is going on regarding the Hindi and Marathi, it's a correct thing because we are
See, you are staying in Maharashtra, you are staying in if you are staying in Karnataka, if you are staying in Tamil Nadu, if you are staying in Gujarat, you have to respect the local language. And it is expected that when you are doing a business in these states, you are expected to learn that local language. And if you are showing an attitude, saying that we will not learn your language, do whatever you want, we will teach them a lesson which they will understand and the lesson will be in Marathi.
What will the Manse stand? What will the Manse
I told you my stand.
in upcoming day because right now the meeting is going on from the Maharashtra Sarkar and the union between.
No union can take Mumbai at ransom saying that we will not speak Marathi, then they will have to go to their own native places and do their business there. You cannot hold us at ransom.
So any implement.
See, basically what I feel, all the states, especially from South India, whether it is Maharashtra, whether it is Karnataka, whether it is Tamil Nadu, whether it is Kerala, whether it is Telangana, whether it is Andhra Pradesh, they should come together to fight the imposition of Hindi, and the people who are coming from North India and trying to dominate us, we will have to teach them a lesson by uniting ourselves.